Alongside the Galaxy Note 20 series, Samsung has also launched the successor to its first ever foldable phone, Galaxy Fold. It has gotten a minor name change, in line with the Galaxy Z Flip branding, and is called the Galaxy Z Fold 2. While the core design does remain the same, the company has brought along some much-needed changes, such as bigger bezel-less displays, fewer intrusions, and improved durability. While Samsung has unveiled a clamshell foldable phone earlier this year, the Korean giant isn't giving up on its original tablet-style foldable phone design. The second-gen Galaxy Fold boasts the exact same core design as its predecessor, which sees a phone unfold into a tablet. Samsung would have made improvements to the hinge design as well, adding brushes and caps into the mix to prevent tiny debris from entering the complex gear mechanism. The most requested change, bigger bezel-less displays, will have to be the highlight and discerning factor of the Galaxy Z Fold 2. The first-gen Galaxy Fold arrived with a smaller outer display that had massive bezels, whereas the display on the inside had a massive lip to house the selfie cameras and sensors at the top right. Galaxy Z Fold 2 sports a 7.6-inch QXGA+ flexible AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which is amazing. The panel boasts a 2213x1689 pixels resolution and a punch hole cutout at the top right instead of a weird lip, which is great. It's the exterior display, however, that gives the Galaxy Z Fold 2 a completely new and futuristic vibe. It now stretches from edge to edge and measures in at 6.2 inches. The company has baked a Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, also with a punch hole selfie camera on the outside. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 is powered by the flagship Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, the same as the Galaxy Note 20 lineup and Galaxy Z Flip 5G that debuted merely a couple of weeks ago. You will find the Snapdragon X55 modem on board to provide 5G connectivity and download speeds up to 2 Gbps. The chipset is paired with 12 GB of DDR5 RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 3.1 built-in storage. This foldable phone runs One UI 2.1, based on Android 10. As you can see in the title, Galaxy Z Fold 2 arrives with 5 cameras in tow. It has one camera less than its predecessor. You still have a triple camera system on the rear, one punch hole selfie camera on the inside, and one on the outside, also in a punch hole cutout. Both the punch hole cutouts house a 10-megapixel selfie camera so that you can take pictures of yourself whether the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is unfolded or not. The triple camera system on the rear includes the same camera system as the vanilla Galaxy Note 20 or Galaxy S20. This means you have a 12-megapixel primary camera with OIS, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 64-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x hybrid zoom present on the rear. So yeah, Samsung's high-end foldable phone also offers you a pretty versatile camera experience. No corners have been cut in the making of this $2,000 device. Galaxy Z Fold 2 comes equipped with a dual-cell 4500 mAh battery, 2250 mAh packs on either side of the hinge. The device supports 25-watt fast charging via the USB Type-C port at the bottom. It isn't the fastest charging solution out there but would get the job done. This foldable phone also supports 15-watt wireless charging and 9-watt wireless power share that allows you to charge any other phone, Galaxy Buds Live, and smartwatches among other things. The company hasn't revealed the price and availability details just yet, but promised to share more in September. It will be available in 2 color variants, Mystic Black and Mystic Bronze. And this is it. Please hit the subscribe button for latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.